The big yellow trucks mean one thing, that home comfort experts are on the way. They specialize in heating, air conditioning, plumbing, and duct cleaning 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we're going to check in with James Olsen, their operations manager, to learn more. Here at Home Comfort Experts, James Olsen is the operations manager, and it's that time of year when we're turning on the air conditioning.
Finally.
Yeah, but we want to make sure it's maintenance properly, and why do we need to do that?
It's the most important thing you can do for your air conditioning system. You want to make sure that it's not only going to cool on that first 70, 75 degree day, but that it can handle that 85, 90, 95 high humidity type day. The cleaner an air conditioner stays, the more efficient it's going to run. It has to be able to breathe to transfer that heat properly.
What's a tech going to do when they come to service an AC unit?
We're going to take maintenance a step farther and do what we call a precision tune-up. Meaning we're not just going to take the garden hose and wash the coil off. We're going to pull the entire unit apart. We're going to use some coil cleaner. We're going to clean that coil from top to bottom, remove all the leaves and sticks and debris that have built up inside the unit, protect the fan blade from catching a rogue stick and bending, something like that. We're also going to check all of the electrical components. These units sit outside and just humidity and corrosion in the freezing of the winter. Mice get in and like to chew little wires and spend the winter inside of the air conditioner. So really from top to bottom, and that's outside. We're also going to go inside. We're going to check and change your filter. We're going to check the blower wheel, make sure it's clean, moving freely, moving the type of air through the ductwork you need. We're going to check the evaporator coil. That's the section of your air conditioner inside that the blower blows across to create that cold air. Make sure that it's clean, make sure that the drain is flowing well, that it's not going to flood the basement or the attic or the, wherever it happens to be. And from top to bottom, make sure that that air conditioner is performing as it should.
Yeah, sounds like a lot of technical work. So how do I know if I'm getting a good technician?
By that process. There are a lot of shortcuts that can be taken, a maintenance instead of a precision tune-up. If you're watching someone wash your car, you know if they're doing a good job or not. Yeah. If you're watching someone do a precision tune-up on your air conditioner, you know if they're just cutting corners, it's better than it was when I started, versus pulling the entire unit apart, starting from top to bottom. When we leave any piece of equipment that we're doing a precision tune-up on, I want it as close to factory new as possible, and that's our goal with every maintenance.
Here at Home Comfort Experts, you pride yourself on your technicians. You say technicians you can trust with your house keys. What makes you guys so different from anyone else?
The type of attention we pay to the person we're bringing in, to the technician that we're going to put at your doorstep. You're not bringing your air conditioner or your furnace or whatever it happens to be into our dirty repair shop and dropping it off and we fix it and then you come pick it up. We're stepping into your home, into your comfort zone where your family is. And so we're going to hire people that we know are going to be able to, first of all, have a conversation and communicate with you, find out what your needs are, be able to relay that information to you, but just be kind and courteous and someone that you don't mind inviting into your home. A lot of times as technicians, we might get a bad rap as, the furnace guy's coming over. I wonder how much he's going to charge me this time. We are vastly different from the majority in that aspect. It's the right type of person. We're drug tested, we're background checked, we're professionally trained, we're thorough. We're going to respect your house and know that you invited us in.
Technicians you can trust with your house keys. Call Home Comfort Experts or find them online at callhomecomfort.com.